A production system is the Operative.One generic term for an external system that is part of the production process for which ads can be delivered. A production system contains a communication architecture designed to transmit to external systems, and it contains the information necessary to communicate with the external systems, including what to convey, pushes versus pulls, and how often. Production systems can track, bill, and perform other services for advertising. This video provides instructions, guidelines, and considerations for your ad operations team or campaign managers to make configuration decisions for production systems. 4 types of production systems exist in Operative.One. A publisher production system is a system owned by the publisher. For digital advertising, this will be your primary ad servers. For example, you can integrate DFP, AppNexus, and other publisher production systems using API-enabled integration. A third-party production system is specific to digital. These are third-party ad servers that deliver the creative and track delivery of ads. For more information regarding third-party production systems, see the third-party production system item in the Quick Start guide. A forecast system predicts when advertising can be delivered in the future. A targeting provider is specific to digital. Targeting providers are systems that extend a publisher's ability to reach specific audiences. These capabilities can be modeled in Operative.One as targets so that they can be leveraged in contracts. For example, you can integrate with AppNexus Audience using API-enabled integration. Check with the operative team to verify whether you can integrate the production system using API-enabled integration or whether you should use flat files for integration. For descriptions of production systems using API-enabled integrations for Operative.One, see the content in the Production Systems item page. Integrating production systems with Operative.One requires some teamwork between you and the operative team. There are 2 ways to integrate production systems. First, if Operative.One supports the production system with an API integration, you can provide the operative team with the information provided in the Quick Start guide to initiate this integration. An API-enabled integration allows for seamless pulling and pushing of data between Operative.One and the production system. For production systems where an API integration is not enabled, Operative.One supports flat file integrations. Flat file production systems push CSV or XML files to an FTP or SFTP server to publish line items or flight details. The integration also supports the ability to import CSV files to load data onto Operative.One. For example, you can place CSV files containing ad server delivery information onto an FTP server for daily processing. Before you fill out the production systems items form for the operative team to review, think about what production systems your company uses and it makes sense to integrate with Operative.One. Once production systems are integrated with Operative.One, the ad operations team will interact with production systems in the Ad Master Model section of the admin module. When filling out the form in the Quick Start guide, think about which production systems you want to integrate with Operative.One. For example, what primary and third-party ad servers will you be working with? After reviewing the Quick Start guide and consulting with appropriate personnel in your business regarding this item, determine what configurations decisions your company should make for this item. Communicate these decisions to the operative team for review by filling out the item's Excel form. Save these changes, navigate to the form you just saved, and then click Upload. Production systems connect your business layer with your execution layer, giving Operative.One the ability to model your inventory, push sold line items into your production systems, track performance, and manage your inventory forecasts.